DSPy's language model integration mechanism serves as the foundational layer for orchestrating external tool interactions, enabling seamless conversion between disparate framework components through its adapter system. This artifact demonstrates the initialization of a financial analysis pipeline, where a LangChain-based Yahoo Finance tool undergoes transformation into a DSPy-compatible format, while the core language model configuration establishes the reasoning backbone for subsequent tool operations. The upcoming code will reveal how the system configures its primary language model using a specified endpoint, then performs cross-framework tool adaptation to bridge LangChain's financial data utilities with DSPy's reasoning architecture. You'll observe the foundational setup that enables these components to interoperate, establishing the groundwork for more complex financial analysis workflows.
Import DSPy. From LangChain Community. Tools. Yahoo Finance News. Import Yahoo Finance News Tool. From DSPy, adapters, types, tool import tool. Import JSON. Import a finances if. Hash configure DSPy. LM equals DSPy. LM model equals OpenEye/GPT-4o mini. DSPy. Configure elm equals LM. Allow tool async sync conversion equals true. Hash convert LangChain Yahoo Finance tool to DSPy. Yahoo Finance tool. Yahoo Finance News tool. Finance News tool. From LangChain Yahoo Finance tool.
This code establishes the foundational components for a financial analysis system using DSPy and Yahoo Finance tools. The pattern demonstrates how to integrate external tools with DSPy's framework, specifically converting a LangChain tool to DSPy's tool system. The DSPy LM is configured with GPT-4o mini as the language model, and the allow tool async sync conversion parameter is set to true to handle asynchronous tool operations seamlessly. The Yahoo Finance News tool from LangChain is converted to a DSPy tool using tool from LangChain, enabling it to be used within DSPy's ecosystem. The design choice to use DSPy ReAct for tool orchestration is evident, as it provides automatic reasoning and tool selection, which is particularly useful for financial analysis, where multiple data sources and tools might be required. The allow tool async sync conversion configuration suggests that the system is designed to handle both synchronous and asynchronous tool operations, which is crucial for real-time financial data fetching. This approach simplifies the integration of external tools, allowing developers to leverage existing LangChain tools within DSPy's more structured framework. The trade-off here is between control and convenience. Using DSPy, ReAct provides built-in error recovery and iterative execution, which is beneficial for complex financial analysis tasks that might involve multiple tool calls. However, this comes at the cost of less granular control over tool execution compared to manual tool handling. The choice of GPT-4o mini as the language model balances performance and cost, making it suitable for a foundation-level financial analysis system. The configuration also sets the stage for more advanced features, such as real-time data analysis and sentiment analysis, which are hinted at in the broader context of the tutorial. Let's break it down.
Import DSPy.
Imports the DSPy framework, providing access to its core functionality for building and managing language model-powered systems.
From LangChain Community. Tools. Yahoo Finance News. Import Yahoo Finance News tool.
Imports the Yahoo Finance News tool class from the LangChain community. Tools. Yahoo Finance News module, which provides functionality to fetch financial news data from Yahoo Finance.
From DSPy, adapters, types, tool import tool.
Imports the tool class from DSPy's adapters module, which provides functionality for wrapping Python functions as tools that can be called by language models in DSPy workflows.
Import JSON.
imports Python's built-in JSON module for parsing and serializing JSON data.
Import a finance's if.
Imports the Finance library as an alias if for accessing Yahoo Finance market data and APIs.
LM equals DSPy. LM model equals OpenAI/GPT-4o mini.
Creates a language model instance using DSPy's LM class, configured to use OpenAI's GPT-4o mini model as the underlying language model. The variable LM now holds this configured language model object ready for use in DSPy workflows.
DSPy. Configure elm equals LM. Allow tool async sync conversion equals true.
Configures DSPy to use the specified language model, LM, and enables automatic conversion between synchronous and asynchronous tool calls. The Allow Tool Async Sync Conversion parameter allows tools to be called in either synchronous or asynchronous mode, providing flexibility in how tool interactions are handled.
Yahoo Finance tool. Yahoo Finance News tool.
Creates an instance of Yahoo Finance News tool and assigns it to the variable Yahoo Finance tool. This instantiates a tool that can interact with Yahoo Finance's News API, enabling retrieval of financial news data within the DSPy framework.
Finance News tool. From LangChain Yahoo Finance tool.
Creates a DSPy tool instance named Finance News tool by wrapping the LangChain-compatible Yahoo Finance tool using the from LangChain class method. This converts the Yahoo Finance News tool from LangChain format into a DSPy-compatible tool that can be used within DSPy's tool system. This setup demonstrates DSPy's cross-framework tool integration pattern, where LangChain's Yahoo Finance News tool gets adapted into DSPy's ecosystem through the tool from LangChain converter. The foundation starts with configuring GPT-4o mini as the reasoning backbone via DSPy. LM, while allow tool async sync conversion equals true, enables flexible synchronous asynchronous tool operations. The key insight here is how DSPy's adapter system bridges disparate frameworks. The LangChain tool maintains its original functionality while gaining DSPy's structured tool management capabilities. This approach trades some granular control for convenience, leveraging DSPy's built-in error recovery and iterative execution through the implied ReAct pattern. The configuration establishes a balance between performance and cost, while setting up the infrastructure for more complex financial analysis workflows that might require multiple tool interactions.
The ReAct agent fetches Yahoo Finance, yet Yahoo Finance fetches the agent. Who is the fetcher when the fetch is the fetch?